Another interesting piece of Aynsley Cottage Garden here in the style of an English dessert plate or serving dish. Pierced handles extending to just over 10.5 inches, I think, from memory on the measurements, but they'll all be in the website listing. Beautiful central portion of the cottage garden with twin butterfly transfer prints, really nicely executed. And then we've got some really good moulding on this. Just look at this sort of ladder style trellis moulding, and then with the rolling detailing around the rims, and then those pierced handles. Really nice piece. Quite deep, as you can see on the side elevation, and in very fine condition. There's not a mark on this. I think it's just been displayed for its entire life rather than being used. Late 20th century Aynsley 1775 crown and banner cottage garden marks, made in England, and the glaze again on the rear, absolutely fine as you'd expect it. Really unusual piece, not seen this one before. I mean, Aynsley Cottage Garden was made over a relatively long period of time, and the shapes and moulds that they produced varied throughout the production period. This is a really nice and unusual piece for collectors and in very fine condition. Description link below will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website listing for this piece, but do have a browse through on our catalogue, as there are quite a few additional pieces going online over the next 24 hours. Thanks for watching.